What if I told you your bank could be taking money from your account every single month and you bravely notice, not through fraud, not through hackers, and not even because you spend too much, just two tiny fees hidden in the fine print for millions of Americans. These charges seem small at first. A $5 fee here, a $15 penalty there, maybe a $35 overdraft debt. So what's when you are already short on cash? But over the course of a year, those small fees can quickly add up to hundreds, even thousands of dollars. The worst part, many people don't even know they are paying them. Today we are counting down the bank fees that quickly steal your money, why banks are them the, and most importantly how you can avoid every single one. By the end of this video you might never look at your bank account the same way again. And first, chapter 1 on this video, monthly maintenance fees. Many Americans assume checking accounts are free, but that's not always true. Some banks charge monthly maintenance fees simply for keeping your account open. These fees often range from $5 to $25 every month. That may not sound like much, but imagine paying $15 every month. That's 180 a year. Over 10 years, that's 1,800 gone without buying a single thing. Banks usually waive these fees if you maintain a minimum balance, receive direct deposits, or meet certain requirements. If you are paying this fee every month, ask yourself one question: why am I paying a bank just to hold my own money? Many online banks now offer checking accounts with zero monthly fees. Chapter 2 on this video, overdraft fees. This is one of the biggest money traps. Imagine buying a $4 coffee, your account accidentally goes negative instead of paying just $4. Your bank charges a $35 overdraft fee. That tiny purchase suddenly costs almost $40. Now imagine making three purchases before realizing your balance is low. Three overdraft fees could cost over $100 in a single day. Many banks have reduced overdraft fees in recent years, but millions of Americans still pay them. The easiest solution: turn on low balance alerts, track your spending, or disable overdraft protection if it does not benefit you. And part 3 on this video, ATM fees. Using the wrong ATM can cost you twice. First, your bank may charge an out of network ATM fee. Second, the ATM owner may charge another fee. Together, a single cash withdrawal code cost $6 or more. Withdraw cash several times a month, and that's another $100 plus dissiping every year. Always check your bank ATM network before withdrawing cash. And part 4 on this video, chapter 4 on this video, minimum balance fees. Some accounts require you to keep a certain amount of money in your account. Fall below the number, you could be charged automatically. Many customers don't even realize this requirement exists until they see the bill. If maintaining a high balance is not realistic, switching to a no minimum account may save money. And chapter 5 on this video, paper statement fees. Banks are encouraging digital banking, so if you still receive paper statements by mail, some banks charge monthly fees. It may only be $2 or $3, but why pay for paper when digital statements are free? Switching takes only a few minutes. And chapter 6 on this video, chapter 6, foreign transaction fees. Planning an international vacation using the wrong debit or credit card overseas can become expensive. Many banks charge around 3% on every purchases made in another country. Spend $5,000 abroad, that's about $150 in extra fees. Travel friendly cards often eliminate these charges completely. Chapter 7 on this video: wire transfer fees. Need to send money quickly. Wire transfer are convenient, but they are rarely cheap. Domestic transfer often cost around $25 to $35. International wires may cost even more before sending one. Check whether services like ACH transfers or peer-to-peer payment app can accomplish the same goal for less. Chapter 8 on this video: return deposit fees. Imagine depositing a check from someone else. A few days later the check bounces. Not only do you not receive the money, some banks may charge you a return deposit fee. It's a frustrating, very frustrating, bro, guys, because you did not write the bad check yet you still lose money. Of course. And chapter 9 on this video: excess withdrawal fees. Some savings accounts limit certain types of withdrawal, exceed those limits repeatedly, and fees may apply depending on the account and institutions. Always understand your account rules before making frequent transfers. And chapter 10 on this video: account closure fees. Believe it or not, account closure fees, believe it or not, some banks charge customers for closing a recently opened account. If you open an account only to switch banks a few weeks later, you might pay an early closure fee. Always check the account agreement before switching. And chapter 11 on this video: debit card replacement. Who debit card replacement fees. I'm correct. Have you ever lost your debit card? It happens all the time. Maybe your wallet was stolen, maybe you left your card at a restaurant, or maybe the chip simply stopped working. Many banks will replace your card for free if you are willing to wait about a week, but if you need it immediately, they may charge anywhere from uh, $15 to $35 for expedited shipping. Imagine losing your wallet while traveling. Now you are uh, already stressed, and your bank asks you to pay extra just to access your own money again. Here's the tip: keep a backup credit card or another checking account with a different bank. That way, you are never forced to pay expensive replacement fees. And chapter 12 on this video: dormant account fees. Here's a fees many people never see coming. Imagine you opened a saving account years ago. Maybe it has only $50 left inside. You forget about it. Months pass, sometimes even years. Eventually, some banks classify the accounts as inactive. Instead of simply leaving your money alone, they begin charging inactivity fees. Slowly the balance disappears. This happens more often than people realize. If you have old bank accounts, if you have not used in year, log in today. You may discover forgetting money or avoid unnecessary fees before they start. And chapter 13 on this video: cashier check and money order. Cashier's check and money order. Need a cashier's check to buy a car, or make a security deposit. Many banks charge between $10 and $20 for a single cashier's check. Many orders may cost less, but they are not always free either. If you rarely need these services, that's fine. But if you use them regularly, those costs add up quickly. Some premium checking accounts waive these fees completely. Always compare account benefits before paying. Chapter 14 on this video: the psychology behind bank. Here's something interesting: bank don't really on customers noticing every fees. In fact, many people never read their monthly statements carefully. That's exactly why small charges work so well. A $6 fee rarely causes outrages. $12 services charge does not seem like an emergency, but together tiny fees become huge profit. Behavioral economists call this small loss blindness. People ignore small amounts because they don't feel painful enough. But over time, those tiny losses quickly drain your wealth. The lesson: never ignore small expenses. They are often the biggest budget killer. Chapter 15 on this video: five simple ways to avoid almost every bank fee. Let's finish with practical advice. Here are few habits that can you save your hundreds of dollars every year. Number one: enable balance notification. Your phone can warn you before your balance get too low. That one alert could save you from a costly overdraft. Number two: review your bank statement every Monday. Even 5 minutes is enough. 5 minutes is enough, and to 10 minutes to spot unusual charges. Number three: use in network ATM whenever possible. Planning ahead can save several dollars every withdrawal. Number four: as ask your bank to waive a fee. Many people never ask a bank, sometimes refund fees, especially if you are long-term customer. A simple phone call could save your money. Number five: don't be afraid to switch banks. Banking is competitive. If your current bank charges too many fees, another institution may offer lower cost or even fee free accounts. Loyalty is great, but only if it's rewarded. If another bank gives you better services with fewer fees, switching could be one of the easiest financial decisions you will ever make. Here's the truth: building well is not only about making more money, is also about keeping more of what you already earn. Banks are not evil, they are businesses, and like every business, they make money through product, services, and yes, fees. The difference between people who stay financially stressed and those who steadily build of wealth often comes down to awareness. When you understand how these fees work, you stop giving away money you never intended to spend. So tonight, take 10 minutes, open your banking app, look through your recent transaction. You might be surprised by what you find, because every dollar you stop losing is another dollar working toward your future. If this video help you save even more unnecessary fee, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more smart money tips, and share it with someone who checks their bank balance but never their bank fees. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.